Hi everyone. Oh, I hear somebody chirping. Where are you? Where are you? I don't want to get on you. Oh, there you are. Come out of there, Riley. I could hear him making a little chirping noise. He was up under that bed. I was trying to sew or get started sewing. I haven't sewn in a couple of months since before the babies came. Bo, are you kidding me? Oh, Arrow, you're going to get me too? Uh, so I just got started. I got everything laid out and a pattern chosen. I was ready to start sewing, and I heard a baby bark. So it's like, I gotta get my evening video. Who else is back here? Who is this? Who is this? Who is that? I can't see who you are. Denny. Hi, Denny. Devin was the one that was barking. I got the camera. I came in here to get the video going, and Denny was barking at his mama through the playpen. And I actually was starting to video and was doing pretty good until the pack was outside the playpen and they crashed in on the sidewalk and bumped my hand and ended the video. And then my husband was sitting in the recliner holding one of them, and they kind of spit up on his lap. Oh, they spit up on him in his lap, and he kind of freaked out. And so anyway, I had to end all of the video. It was really ruined. So now the dogs are outside and my husband's changing clothes and it's just me and the babies. So we're going to try the video again. And I'll tell you what, sometimes getting a video is hard work around here. I'm really proud. I saw you, Bo. You went down on the fleece pad and peed. I saw that. But a couple of somebodies has started using the litter tray. If you can see it, there's some yellow spots on that little pee pad. I didn't see which ones did it, but there's 2 or 3 spots, so I think maybe 2 or 3 puppies have used the pee tray or the potty tray, which is a very good thing. And at 3 weeks old, that's extremely good. And I didn't usually, for litter training, I wait until they're around 4 weeks old. Hey, what you complaining about, Riley? Oh, you cutie bag. I usually work real serious with them. I'll stand over here throughout the day, and every time I see one get ready to go potty, I'll set them up into the litter pan. And if these guys are already starting to go to it before I start training them, that's a good sign. That means we're going to have some good success using that litter tray. I was using a litter box with pine pellets, and I had one litter out of several that actually used it, went to it on their own, kind of like these guys did with this. The first night I set that in here, 2 puppies immediately went over and got up on it and walked on it. It just so happened their little feet were so small, it went down between the bars and I took it back out. But they're growing so fast, we don't have that issue now. They can actually walk right on top of it, do their business, and hopefully keep the playpen a lot cleaner. Eventually, we want to kind of get rid of this where they're not making it to that far, but as they get used to using it and get used to the designated spot, hopefully the playpen will stay cleaner. But anyway, looks like my husband survived. He's still cleaning from the fiasco in his lap, and the others are still outside, except for I saw Mama Delilah back here. Oh, Arrow, you've got sharp teethies. Oh boy, I can't wait till they start biting me. Boy, my last litter, we had one puppy in that litter. It was a Sheba and Jericho litter. And a little Oliver, I tell you what, he kept my hands bleeding. Every time I would play with him, he would sink a tooth in me. But I still come to play. I just try to be careful and try to get them to not do that. At first, it's harmless. Right now, I can feel they're getting their teeth, but they're not on the dangerous side yet. Arrow! Oh, he's feisty. If he just had the balance, he could be all over me. You're just going to be getting everybody, aren't you? Oh, he's got the spirit. He just needs to get the balance. Hey, Mama D. Hi, Mama D. Why don't you feed them kids while you're in there? Give me a break. I will soon enough, baby. I will. They're all doing really, really good. I love it when I can just pet them and they start waking up and wanting to play. But it won't be long. They'll hear my voice before I get in here and they'll wake up wanting to play. Hey, Maggie, are you getting me? Hey, little girl, come out of there. Let me see that pretty girl. Oh, you gorgeous thing. She looks like a Siamese cat to me. Oh, she's a cutie, cutie, cutie. You're a cutie. Yes, you are. Oh. I always loved the Siamese cats anyway, the seal points. And that's kind of what these sable fawns, they remind me a lot of a seal point Siamese, just that real dark black with the dark sable coloring in their coats. Yeah, it's you too, mister. You too. You and Arrow, or Bo and Arrow and Denny are the ones that are just wanting to play. Maggie maybe a little, but she keeps nodding off. Yeah. Oh, my friend Susie that follows us on here sent us a couple of new puppy beds. I got those in the mail today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Miss Susie. Believe me, I can never have enough puppy everythings. It's just so nice when people think of us and send us something like that. I really appreciate it. I put one in the office to go in the carriers when they go to the vet, and I put one in here, and then I have the two that I got the other day. So all three mamas have a soft bed to lay in if they can get the puppies out of them. The puppies are pretty partial to laying in those soft beds too. Oh, Arrow, you just gonna chew up that bed, huh? You just boy, if your teeth were any bigger, they'd be dangerous. He's just like a bulldog here, just trying to, yeah, I know, come over here. Oh, Petey, wake up. You was on the run to try and play, and you fell asleep. Oh, look at Denny. Oh, look at Denny. He's going to get up here and play. Hi, kiddo. Oh, don't get me. Oh, don't get me. Oh, they all got their worm medicine today. Oh, he's a cutie, isn't he? Look at that pretty black nose.
Yeah.
Danny is over here sleeping. Oh, they're just so much fun. Don't be doing that. You don't need to do that. Turn around here. Oh, Denny, you're spinning in circles. Oh, now you can get Bo. Arrow's still trying to get me. Oh, my goodness. Well, anyway, I just wanted to grab a quick video. I didn't know it was going to be so comical and so much trouble. Jeff cannot take it if one of these dogs shares their dinner with him. Oh, I call them burping Bostons, because burping babies. They'll come over right after eating and burp and give you some of whatever they ate. He's doing really good. Jeff is doing really good. I remember when we first started breeding and it came to cleaning up potty, he was like not having any of that. And I told him, I was like, yeah, you are. Yeah. Around here, I need all the help I can get to clean up. And you just have to get where you can deal with it. And he does pretty good with that now. But nobody likes it if dog gets sick on you. I'll be laughing about that for a while. Sorry, guys. But that's what being a parent is all about. You're going to get peed on. You're going to get pooped on. You might get sick on. It's worth it, isn't it, baby? Oh, you cutie. Anyway, I hope I didn't gross everybody out. But y'all know I'm pretty transparent. I share everything that we go through here. Everything that we get to experience, I try to share it with everybody. Oh. But I think that's going to be it. And I'll be back in the morning with the morning update, and I'm going to try to go sew for a couple hours before bedtime. So, y'all have a blessed evening, and maybe tomorrow we won't have all these unfortunate things going on. You gotta laugh. You just gotta laugh. Oh, you tell me about it, Arrow. You tell me. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, they're gonna be so much fun when they get big enough to stand on those 4 legs and feet. So, anyway, y'all have a blessed evening.